Okay guys, welcome to 12th tutorial in HTML5, and in this we're going to revisit our website we're building. I'm just going to finish it all off. There's no point you sitting here watching me typing it. Just put this up and go through it with you. It's a lot handier for everybody, okay? So what I've done is, I might have mentioned this, I put everything inside a big div. We explained before what the divs do, and then I close it down here at the end, right? Now bear in mind I put a second article in here, okay? And again, when you click on one and you get purple about, you know that it's actually a close there for you, okay? So there we go. Now I've given them all IDs. The section has an ID. I've given them the footer, the aside. Up here we have our section there. We have our nav has an ID. The div has an ID. Okay, so we would then assign this. Here we go. Just to show you. We give it an overall margin pad. We went through that. The headers, I've given them the following, right? There you go. And then I've put in each header a header. Layout, page group, section, all the way through, and it's a display block because I want the one underneath each other. The text then I have aligned the center, right? Then I start to style the div. Okay, I give it a border. The width of my website was 1200. I give it a margin, and also whatever happens after that, it can let it happen. Then I align the text to the left hand side. I want it here, right? And the reason we've done this is that I wanted to center the website first by doing what we've done here, and then what we've done is we've taken the text inside of it and we've moved it down here to the left. Okay, that's simple enough. Moving on down, we then style the nav. Then I style the list items inside the nav. I have display inline blocks. So I want them 1, 2, 3, 4. Many I have, I want them across the page, not down like that. Okay. Then we style the footer. Then I did the aside. And see, don't forget here, let me show you where's this. I'm going to show you something. Let me go back up here for a second. Let's see. Footer, yes. Article. And the article footer. You see, if I want to just do the footer inside the article, I have to call it the article stroke footer, right? If I just put footer, it's going to think of the main footer on the outside of the page, which is going to be down there. This one. But we didn't want to do this one. I want to do the footer here inside the article. Okay. So that's everything I've done. When I ran this is what we got. Okay. And this one talking about display inline block going across that. Now you can space these all out by using there's lots of different transitions and things you can use. And I'll show you how to do this in the future. How you can use flex and flex one, no flex, and fill gaps and space it all across evenly across your page and even spaces, right? So scroll down here, there you go. This I just give them one line here, right, just to break it. There's no point putting it everywhere around because we already have a border of our web page here. There's the information I wanted to flow to the right and have it here. There's my copyright, there's my photo here, and there's my articles here, and I float these also here. Okay? So that's simple enough, guys. If you just follow that, you should have no problems whatsoever. And I'll catch you in tutorial 13. Take care. See you then. Bye bye.